I'm so proud. This is number 20. 20 times from more you give, more you receive. We help to so many people. Thank you for each one of you who is watching this video and everybody who donate because of you. And thank you, by the way, Crypto Richie. This video is because of your donation. And we're doing something what nobody else is doing. We're doing the impossible. We're doing possible. We're using crypto money and we're helping more people. So we went back to the school, what we did the video 2 weeks ago, and we bought shoes for every kid out there. Do you know? So 2 weeks ago, we make their day, remarkable. We make these kids, over 25 children, okay? We make a memorable day for all their life. And now we went back and we buy them shoes for everybody, okay? Do you know how many smiles we put? Do you know how many happiness we add? With what? With just small, small thing from me and small thing from you, okay? That's about it. That's all it's take, okay? Doesn't take, don't wait till you make millions to help somebody. Just start helping with what you have. Again, doesn't need to be money. Go and do something good in your life, okay? Because that's what's matter in your life. And remember, if you want to help me, come and find me, okay? I'm more than happy to work with everybody. Doesn't matter where you're from. If you want to do something good, if you want to do some video, let me know. I'm more than happy to share here. And very important quote of today's video: alone we can do little, but together, all together, we can do much more. Thank you everybody for watching. Please share the video, subscribe, like. It's only taking 5 minutes from your time. Love you all.
So we are here at the slum school. So children are gathered here. So we noticed that most of the footwear they are wearing has been quite old and torn. So we have decided to give them new footwear with the support of CryptoPhil. So Sadat is taking the feet measurement, which we are going to buy a new footwear for all of them. I hope this will be a very useful gift for all kids. Thank you CryptoPhil for all your love and support. So we have reached to the footwear store to buy footwear for the children. So we are sorting out the measurement for the required footwear. You can see there are lots of options here. So we are choosing out what we need. So we have reached again here, brought them the footwear. Now Shadat is distributing all of them the required measurement of each student. पर कई थोड़ी बड़ी आ गई इसमें, आप देख लो. अरे तेरी है क्या 8 नंबर की, इसमें नोट डाल लगा. So they all are wearing the chappals, footwears. So thank you CryptoPhil for giving a useful tool to make their life little more comfortable, to make their walk little more comfortable, and I hope this will be very useful in their everyday life. Thanks once again. Love you.